No peeking. Okay.
You snuck this?
Mm-hmm. Do you know what it is?
Oh, it's a birthday set.
Yes. It's a birthday set. I birthed you, so I know that it's your birthday soon.
Oh. Did you actually sneak this in when I wasn't looking?
Yes, I did.
How? I was like, this is so normal, and I'm like, what?
I know one of the ladies, her name was Molly. She was so awesome helping me sneak things for you. You didn't even know.
Whoa, that's so cool. I think maybe there's tape somewhere, but we'll see how this goes opening this.
It's okay if you break it. Just tear it.
Just tear it.
Yeah, it's fine.
It didn't really break that much.
That's good. So these are just some party accessories.
Ew. Ooh, little shakes. Little
Milkshakes. Aw, those are adorable.
Oh, it even comes with bracelets. I want those.
Aw, I know you were asking. That's why I had to say no. Because I knew you were going to get some things. Little goodie bags.
Yeah,
We make little goodie bags.
Oh, it actually makes a picture. Actually takes a picture.
Oh, cool. We have a different camera now, too. So you have a couple. Just like Mommy. Mommy has 2 cameras.
Ooh, look. You can hold these up to her face and it makes...
Oh, so we could do silly pictures like in a photo booth.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it tells us about the... It's a trap. It's one of those, the...
Truly Me?
Truly Me stuff. Ooh, an alphabet little set. And another picture you can put in the picture.
Oh, some crossword games.
There's some more pictures you can put in there, so it looks like it actually came out.
Look.
Let's open the camera so like we can take more pictures, like pretend pictures of her. Like that's so brand. That's a smart idea.
Okay, but get this. That's just one surprise.
What?
What? Okay, you got your eyes closed? No peeking!
Okay.
No peeking.
Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Oh, that's cute! That's so cute!
I knew you would love it.
And it could go right with the camera because it's like a glamming outfit.
Is your word of the day glam?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, can we open this one up?
Yes. I'll open it.
Okay.
It has tape.
Okay.
Let's open. Tape.
Thank you.
Whoa. I should just pull that open with the other one.
That's okay.
It's a flippy too. Oh, she looks adorbs.
She is gonna look so adorbs.
Both of them. Look at that.
So when you're wearing your birthday outfit, we can dress, we can dress your new girl in her birthday outfit. The cutest, coolest little sneakers.
Sneakers.
You love to do that. You wear dresses and sneakers all the time, huh?
Aww.
Oh.
on those little photo albums.
Mm-hmm.
And a cupcake.
Aww. So we have milkshakes and cupcake.
Another bracelet.
See, I told you we didn't need to buy another one. Mommy always knows.
Ooh, it says happy birthday.
Oh, that's the birthday sash that we saw on one of the dolls. Happy birthday.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, do you think that's it?
I don't know. What?
I want more surprise. But this is the last one.
No.
Okay. It's what?
The best day ever.
No peeking.
I'm not. Ready?
Yep.
What is this? Oh, it's one of the Welly Wishers.
Yes, but it's still something that we can use with our larger American Girl dolls.
Yes, that is perfect, though.
So it's like the whole party.
Oh.
So there's cake in there and everything. So I thought we could get that one too because we have one cupcake, but 2 milkshakes, and now we have a cake. So we have enough for everybody to share when we're having a little girls' night tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you fine if I break it?
Yes, that's fine.
Come on out. Oh, there we go. I am totally lammed with this.
Are you so psyched?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's all so fab. Do you need some help? You're not even looking at it. You're staring.
Oh. I'm super Addie.
You're super Addie?
Yes.
Of course.
See?
Okay.
Got the cheap off. I told you I'm super Addie.
Oh, there's 2 on there. Should have done that before we started, huh?
That's okay. It's fun.
It is fun. It is fun. I still can't get over this little birthday outfit.
Here. You take that little piece.
Thank you.
You're setting all the pieces over there. I have
Yeah, so that way they're out of our way. So cute.
What did you say?
I said so cute.
Do I know how? Oh, I thought you were.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Just rip it.
Hey, you're hurting me.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Here you go.
Here's the rest.
Okay. Now you can get into it.
Now we can finally dig in.
Dig in.
Okay. Ew, this is so cute.
Oh, it's like a little summer party. This says lemonade.
Oh, look, there's this in the whole.
Yeah, but this all that says happy birthday.
Oh,
So it is a birthday cake.
one of those,
It's a cake topper.
yeah.
For like when you blow out the candles, we can have Phoebe do her candles. Well, her little birthday thing.
Ooh, 2 4.
Perfect.
The rest is inside. There's napkins on the outside. There's these little napkins.
That's perfect.
Perfect if they get messy.
Mm-hmm.
So if they get messy, can you open that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got it. Just rip this. Look at that. See?
Yep.
I'm strong. Here's the little cake.
Oh, so cute.
You can put the
Look,
pieces back
yeah.
in. We can put the pieces back in so it makes a full cake.
Good.
And of course the cake scooper. Along with pretend lemonade. Ooh, and the tray.
Yes.
The
So
tray.
it sits on there. Yeah. Little cake stand and everything. Oh,
Yeah.
little cups
Two
and
little
plates.
cups and plates. And it has little sprinkles on it. Little sprinkling.
Oh, so cute.
These are actually their favorite colors.
Are they?
Hers is pink. So
Yeah, that must be why it's in her hair.
And hers is purple.
Of course.
And she has a purple
Jacket.
jacket. That is perfect. Really wishes.
Well, do you think this has been a very wonderful birthday?
Yes.
Yeah. Has it been your best birthday ever, do you think?
Yes. I always wanted two American Girl dolls.
That's amazing.
Which is amazing. Which we are gonna play with them.
Okay, but for now, we'll say bye.
Bye. And we're also going to the pool. Thank you.
What'd you say before that?
We're going to the pool.
Yeah! Birthday weekend! Woo!
And if you're wondering why we're going to the pool in the winter, it's because we have an inside pool.
Here, set it on the table here.
So I can't
Let's see
get it over these shoes.
That's okay.
Dress. Oh, look how sweet. I'm going to get down
That is so cute.
and check Phoebe out.
Okay.
Their
Say
birthday-
bye.
Bye.